Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you a simple tutorial how to do a drawing using design block. So first, in the top there is a view panel on the top, so you click there, and then after that it's gonna show you this toolbar. And on this toolbar you can see this rectangle, right, and the name is design block. Okay, you may click it now to see what's gonna come out. So this is my block that I already have saved in my gallery. So right now I have switch, I have a bulb, and also I have batteries. So right now I click on the switch, okay, and then you put it out, and then after that you need to zoom it because it's on millimeters, so it's so small, you need to scale it or you need to zoom it. After take the switch, you may take all of the I may take all of this, just like my bulb, and also the battery is out from my blocks into my drawing. Now let's arrange this to a better placement so we can add on some wires and put some tags for this figure tree. This is just simple tutorial, so I'm sorry for the simplicity of my tutorial today. Now take line, and then I start from the batteries, and then take line, and then connect it to the switch, and then after I connect to the switch, I'm gonna continue connected to the bulb, and then bulb will connect on the bottom of the batteries. That's easy. Let's see it. So right now for the tags, I will take the single tags, click on the bottom of the tags and take the single tags. So right now for the auto, I accidentally take 100 and it will change up to big, and then after that I scale it down and put under the wire, and this is my figure 3 arrangement, and also how to take a block from the design block and how to deal with it. Alright, thank you.